These are 15 apps to make your first $100 online for completely free. You can install these free apps either on your phone, computer, or just a laptop, and you can use them from anywhere in the world. Now, we both know that the best way to make money online is to build an online business that solves a problem and provides value to the society, because money is just an exchange of value, and the bigger problems you can solve, the more money you can make. But today, I just want to share some easy and free ways to add your first $100 from your phone without actually building an online business. The first app on our list actually gives $250 bonus when we create an account. You can effectively play video games with this one and make money online for completely free. And some of these games pay anywhere from $10 up to $250 in these free spins. According to Trustpilot, they have 4.5 star ratings, which is really good for a make money online app. They also have a bunch of different offers that you can complete to constantly keep on making money. You can cash out with PayPal, crypto, Amazon gift cards, and other gift cards are also available. They have instant cash out, so as soon as you start making money, you can instantly cash out. They have daily battles that you can complete, and you can make money in many different ways. Now, the website in question is kosh.gg. I'm gonna leave a link to it in the description box down below, and once you end up there, what you simply want to do is you just want to click on the sign up button over here or the join now button over here, and simply just register an account. Now, once you register an account in Kosh, you just want to choose a simple username for yourself and click save, and now that's instantly going to give you all of these different offers that you can complete, all of these different games that you can play to get paid. Now again, just keep in mind that none of these apps will make you a millionaire, none of these will make you rich, but it's just an easy way to add some extra income to yourself. On the left hand side, you can also check out the rewards tab, where every single day you can have these spins and you can win money in these free spins that are happening every week. Now, as you can see, just for logging in every single day, I'm going to be able to claim new rewards. So I earned 1,000 coins within the first 16 hours of me creating my account to just keep my streak. On the left hand side, you can also check out all these other offers. You can find different apps, games, quizzes, signups, trials, purchases, all sorts of different things. And please keep in mind that all of the apps that we've talked about today, I don't want you to spend any money on them. I just want you to create a free account and use them for completely free. And if any of these apps change something along the way after I publish this video and they are now asking for money or whatsoever, do not pay for anything, because you can use all of these for completely free. The goal of this video is to take you from $0 to $100 so that you don't spend any money. You can also check out your wallet on the left hand side, where you can start withdrawing your money. And then if you know how to drive traffic, you can also become an affiliate right over here. So you can get your affiliate link here, and as you start referring other people and they start making money with this website, you're gonna keep on making money as an affiliate. And they have different tiers where they allow you to earn more and more the more people you send using your affiliate link, which by the way just looks something like this. Now, to get your first $250 spin, all you gotta do is complete the tutorial on the right hand side after creating an account. So you're gonna click on explore the lobby, you're gonna play the bottle flip, you're gonna complete all of these challenges, and you're gonna click on claim spin, and you will potentially be able to win $250 for completely free. The second app on our list is going to be IM, and this one is available both for iOS and Android, and it's an app that allows you to sell photos, which you could also take with your phone if you have a good camera. Now, I did some research and I found out through Quora that people are making over $100 selling their images. So this person just uploaded like a small portfolio of 100 different images that they took with their phone, and now she got paid like over $100 with this. And there is also a blog article that talks about how this person made over $1,000 selling photos on this app, but the highest one that I found was about $100. Third app to make your first $100 online for free is going to be mercari.com/sale now. This is a platform where you can sell with zero selling fees, and you can get started for completely free. So apparently, if you have something that's around your house, you can just take a picture of it with your phone and instantly sell it over here. As you can see, this person stole a perfume for over $100, socks for over $60, and some different things for $40, $70. If you have some old toys, just take a picture, put it on here, and you can make over $100 if you have some items sitting around your house. The next app on our list is called The Plug at plugco.in, and this person claims that they made over $200 per day this month with this app, and they also say that the top earner made over $5,000 in 24 hours. Now again, remember that most people will not make that much money. Most people will maybe make $100 in a month, which is still completely fine, because our goal is to get you to $100 for completely free. So the way you make money with this one is you just need to log into your account. You're gonna find links to different apps that you can promote as an affiliate, and the more people sign up for these apps, the more you get paid. For instance, some of these apps pay you $5 when someone installs installs them for free. So if you can refer 20 people through Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media networks, you get paid over $100. The next app on our list is called Audible, which is mostly available for laptops and computers, but you can also use it from your phone as well if you just go to the browser, because they actually pay you $5 when someone creates an account for free. And when someone creates an account for free on Audible, they also get 2 free audiobooks. So you can just refer someone telling them that, hey, if you use my link, you're gonna get these 2 books for free, or you can get any book for completely free if you use my link. And even if they do so, as you can see, for a free trial, we're still paid $5 and then another $10. So you just need to refer 20 people to make over $100. And again, you can do so either by posting YouTube videos, either by posting on Instagram, on Twitter, on TikTok. Just attract 20 people and you have over $100. The next app on our list is called Survey Party, which is available for both iOS and Android. It's the least paying one, but it can sometimes be fun because all you gotta do is answer questions and they pay you like $2.50, $3 per survey that you complete, and they ask you a bunch of things about what you're doing on your daily basis and just basic stuff so that they have companies research, and you can get paid up to $100. The next app on our list is the app that I used to make over $66,000 per month, and then this person used to make over $120,000 per month and over $5,000 in 24 hours, $2,000 in 24 hours here, $98,000 per month. All of these people are making money using this app. Now, the app in question is School, and School is this platform where people are building their own communities. This is the community that I've built myself, and to build your own community, all you pretty much gotta do is just click on here and then click on create a community, and you can create one from scratch, and you can research exactly what other people are doing. If you just go to the School games or you just go to discover communities on their official website, you can just see what others are posting over here. Like, for example, this guy is teaching people how to get a six-pack. He has 5.8 thousand members paying $22 a month. So that's over $100,000 a month in passive income just by teaching them how to get a six-pack. Or this person teaches people how to dress well. This person teaches chess, and this person teaches coding, and this person teaches something about AI. And like all of these people are teaching something different with their communities, and they're making tens of thousands of dollars a month. So if you can build a community that you can sell for, let's say, $10 a month, and you can teach something that you are interested in or you know something about, you just refer 10 people, and that's $100 per month in passive income. I made this free tutorial on my second channel, Dave Nick Daily, where I talk about how I actually make money on School. I break down the entire strategy step by step. So I'm probably gonna leave this tutorial for free in the description box down below, or you can again just go to my second channel and watch it for free. Next up, we have an app that's available for both iOS and Android, and the app in question is TapMob. And TapMob is this app where you can find a bunch of offers to promote as an affiliate. And for example, so far I made over $4,000. I don't know if you can see that on the screen, but I will also attach the recording as well. But basically, you just find a offer to promote, and people just have to send their email address, and you're gonna be paid $8 per email you collect. So you essentially need about 12 emails to collect to make $100. And I was able to collect many, so that's why I made over $4,500 with this one. I also have a bunch of my tutorials where I talk about exactly how I've done that, and you can watch them on my channel for completely free. The next app on our list is Listverse, and Listverse pays you $100 to submit a blog article that you wrote yourself. You can't just use ChatGPT for this. So you're gonna click here to open up a form, and by the way, I just went to listverse.com, click more, click on write and get paid, or submit a list right away, and then you just have to describe exactly what the blog article is going to be about, and you can just go to listverse.com, and you're gonna look into these other articles that were published, because that means that they have been approved. All of these articles were paid $100 for. So you just go through them and you're like, okay, so now I understand a little bit better what kind of articles they're approving, so I can write something on a similar topic. Yes, it's gonna take you some time to do some research and to write this thing, but in a few hours you could potentially make $100 from one blog article. Another app that I use to make hundreds of dollars per day is the YouTube Studio app, and I run a bunch of faceless YouTube automation channels. So I use the YouTube Studio app to manage the channel, to view the analytics, and to respond to comments and do other engagement things. And for example, with this channel we do about $400 per day, and the lifetime of this account is like $718,000. And again, I don't even show my face on most of those channels, which again can be managed just from a phone. I also made a free tutorial on that as well. The next app on our list is pretty interesting. So when I used to live in LA, and when I would have something that I need to do around my house, for example, I just order a brand new table from IKEA. Instead of me assembling it, then I have no idea how to do that and spending hours doing so, I would just go onto this website called TaskRabbit, which is also a free app for both iOS and Android, and then I would pay someone like $100 or $200 to come in and just assemble my table. And then a person comes in and they do that that in like 30 minutes and then they leave. And you can see that some other are charging like to mount a TV $69, to put something on a shelf $65, and so on and so forth. A lot of people are using that. Like I was one of the clients on here and I was paying other people to do these things. So you can just click on here to become a tasker, and just bear in mind that it's mostly for US and similar countries. The next app on our list is Ibotta, which is also available for both iOS and Android. And Ibotta has a referral program where they pay you $7 when you refer someone, and that person that you refer is also gonna get some cash back, so they're incentivized to create an account for free, and you can get paid $7 when you refer someone, which means you need about 13 people to make over $100 in commissions. So you can just click here to sign up and get your link. The next app on our list is Teachable. Now I personally use Teachable to make almost $900,000 in sales because it's an app that allows you to sell digital products from anywhere in the world, and these digital products can either be PDF guides or can be step-by-step courses on some topic. And so what you could potentially do is you can use this prompt that you can copy and paste. You can then go to ChatGPT, verify that you are a human, which ChatGPT is definitely not. You paste that prompt and it generates this full step-by-step guide. And you can then take that guide, put it into a PDF document with Google Docs or something, and you can upload it to Teachable and sell those digital products. The next app on our list is called the Field Agent, which also allows you to complete small jobs for others. If someone needs help around the city, they will usually use this app and they will pay you for different things. And I also found a Reddit thread where people are discussing how much they made with Field Agent, and this person said that the highest they've been paid in a day was $120. Almost everything that I talked about in this video will be linked in the description box for completely free. I hope you got some value and I will see you next time.